Hey you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a collage in the Google Photos app as well as the Google Photos website, so have one or both of these devices on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. I'll be showing you how to do this on your iPhone or mobile device as well as on your laptop or website. So the first way I'm going to show you how to do this is on the Google Photos app on your phone. And the first thing you're going to do is launch that app. You'll make sure you're signed in, and if you are already signed in, you're just going to go into your photos. In order to select multiple photos, what you'll do is press and hold on one of them, and it's going to bring up that selection option where you can then scroll through and select as many photos as you'd like for the collage. Once all of these photos have been selected, to identify which photos you've selected, there'll be a blue check mark in the top left corner of each of them. And if you ever wanted to deselect them, you would just press them a second time. And once all of the photos you want in your collage have been selected, you're going to go down to the bottom and select Add To. And then, super simple, we're going to find that collage button here. And we can add to this collage. And now it's going to just let us know how to edit in this collage. So if I wanted to zoom in, I would just use my two fingers here. I could zoom in. I could move these around as well. So if I wanted to swap out two photos, I could do that as well. Now we have options as well for background. We can change what it looks like. And once we're happy with this collage, we're just going to go to the bottom right and select Save. And now it's going to actually save right into my Google Photos, and I can send this, I can edit it, I can delete it. If I wanted to share it with anybody, I could just go to the bottom left and select Share, and I can allow Google Photos to access my contacts to make sending it to people easier. Then I can select Share To at the bottom here, and I can share to anyone I want on any application that I want. Okay, now let's jump over to the computer, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the same thing on the Google Photos website. This time we're going to go to photos.google.com, and we're going to sign in. Once we're here and signed in, we're just going to scroll through our photos, and what we can do is to select multiple photos, we're just going to hold our mouse over and select the check mark in that top left corner. And this is going to allow us to select multiple photos once again, and we can select up to 9 photos. And once we're happy with that selection, we're going to go up to the top here and select that plus icon here and scroll down to Collage. And it's just going to automatically create that collage for you. And to edit on the browser version of this, we'll select the 3 lines here to edit. So we've got filters here. We can draw. We can edit the effects of our photos. We also have the cropping option here and the suggestions as well. So if I wanted to just enhance it myself, it could enhance it. Dynamic, warm, cool, etc. And then you'll have the option to save at the top here. Now the collage has been saved for you in your Google Photos, and now you know how to make one. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you found all of this information helpful. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.